Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XZ2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down. Now select Sound over here and click on the switcher next to Dynamic Vibration to enable or disable them. You can also scroll down and click on the switcher next to Vibrate Vocals to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Then scroll down, choose Advanced, scroll down again and click on the switcher next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, and also Touch Vibrations to enable or disable those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!